Welcome to the E4D Milling Center, a state-of-the-art precision CNC machine specially designed for dental restorations. The E4D Milling Center features patented and patent-pending technologies that produce highly accurate inlays, onlays, crowns, and veneers. E4D Milling Center's heavy-duty design minimizes vibration for quiet operation and precise, consistent performance. Changing tools and other routine maintenance tasks are automated and easy to control with the Mill Wizard high-resolution touchscreen. The color-coded lid lights indicate the operation underway so that you know at a glance the current milling status. Additional information is provided by the Mill Wizard software, such as the amount of milling time remaining. The Mill Wizard software guides you through the milling process step by step. Full details are provided for your verification. A variety of restoration materials and shades are available to meet your most exacting requirements. Simply insert the stainless steel end of the material block into the holder and use the hex tool to tighten it. The system computes a unique tool path for the restoration. Offset, horizontally opposed spindles mill two sides of the restoration simultaneously. While the precision milling is underway, the Mill Wizard informs you of its progress. When milling is complete, the lid opens automatically. Use the hex tool to loosen the holder and easily remove the milled restoration. The restoration is ready to polish and seat or stain and glaze if desired. The E4D Design Center and Milling Center with DentalLogic software, part of the 360 E4D dentist experience that's empowering dentistry.